Have you ever wondered what's included in Coca-Cola's top secret recipe? While it's likely the world will never know, the soft drink giant is currently investigating claims of a breach that potentially compromised sensitive business information. We'll see how well the hacking group's allegations hold up as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your new home for trending technology news. First uncovered by the team at Bleeping Computer, Coca-Cola confirmed that it's investigating claims of a cyber attack on its network. In a statement from Coca-Cola, a spokesperson told the Wall Street Journal, "We are aware of this matter and are investigating to determine the validity of the claim. We are coordinating with law enforcement." Now, who exactly is to blame for this potential breach? In an online forum, a hacking group known as Stormous announced that it had compromised Coca-Cola's servers and stolen 161 gigabytes of data. The group suggests that the data it collected from Coca-Cola includes admin information, emails, passwords, payment details, and a variety of other sensitive information. While the investigation has yet to prove this is true, the supposedly valid set of data is for sale via the dark web for 1.65 Bitcoin or around $64,000 cash. But why exactly did hackers supposedly target Coca-Cola? Even if they're bluffing, this places some negative PR on the company, and you're poking one of the largest soft drink manufacturers in the world. Simply put, the hacking group publicly pledged to support the Russian government's decision to invade the Ukraine, and since then it's been targeting organizations in countries aiding the Ukraine. In this scenario, the hackers posted a poll in their Telegram group, giving followers the option to vote on which company they should hit next. In an astounding 72% of votes, followers sought to attack Coca-Cola. In turn, hackers stated they were able to successfully infiltrate Coca-Cola's network in a matter of days. Although the hackers' claims have yet to be proven true, if they are, it's likely to take Coca-Cola some time to determine how the intruders made their way into the database while going unnoticed. While Stormous argues they breached Coca-Cola using ransomware, Coca-Cola has yet to announce if it's unable to access some of its databases. For reference, ransomware typically extorts a company by gaining access to an admin account, stealing information, locking down the database, and threatening to expose stolen info if a ransom is not paid. In this case, Stormous immediately jumped to selling potentially compromised data online, which adds to the suspicion of their claims. Regardless, this isn't the first time Stormous has made headlines for similar statements. Last month, the hacking group announced they were behind a breach at Epic Games, a US-based video game publisher. While it's still unknown if the group was responsible for that attack, it's likely these claims are just a ruse to make a name for Stormous, as they're competing with hundreds, if not thousands, of similar hacking groups. Nevertheless, there's something important to learn from this whole scenario. Deploying modern cybersecurity tools ensures you won't have to second guess if your network was infiltrated by a potential data leak that shows up online. Take a solution like endpoint detection and response, for example. Because new malware is developed daily, traditional antivirus software is unable to keep its list of known viruses up to date. Alternatively, EDR tracks unusual behaviors that you're not likely to make on your network, halts these actions, and then notifies your team's security lead for review. For more information pertaining to EDR and how it can be launched across your network, contact Rocket IT using the link in this video's description. In the meantime, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.